We are opening up this box. This is the part number PTR 5689210 F2, made in Mexico. Genuine Toyota Lexus part. Alright, got a cardboard cover here. Got a foam layer here. Got some cardboards on the side, keeping it in place. And you've got some sort of felt wheel cover. And this is what we're looking at. 2021, 2022 4Runner TRD Pro wheels. This is in the matte black. This is a newer version where the spokes right here don't have the step, and then on the edges of each of the in between the spokes, you're gonna have these little raised design. This comes in like 3 different colors: a matte gray, matte black, and matte bronze. I actually like the OG black ones, so that's what I went with. Okay. Little imprint there. Lift this up. Middle's painted. There's a stamp on here. So this is May 22nd, 2021 was when this wheel was made. I guess they got some quality assurance check here from the factory. Check out the back side. So this right here is just machined off, not painted. Got a DOT there. 17x7 is the size of the wheel. Got some, I don't know if that's a serial number, but got some sort of imprint there. Over here we got some more numbers. Here's that part number that I read off at the beginning. Okay. Got something laser etched there, and then a number. Got the Toyota raised print there. And the last thing, made in Mexico, Prime TJ Mexico. This is the wheel. So these are gonna look sweet on the 4Runner. I got an ORP, so it comes with the silver and black wheels, but I prefer this look. Would have loved to got my hands on a TRD Pro. I just can't justify paying $15K. Plus I like the KDSS anyhow. I don't plan to raise my car any more than like 2 to 3 inches, so it's gonna look good. So one thing I did notice is this part right here is machined rather than painted. So with the lug nuts, you might see a little bit of it. So I might get these filled up and touch it up with some like paint or something, so then it just gets up all black. So you're gonna need a wheel cap, or yeah, basically the center cap, right? And then this goes in, you just push it in and it locks in place. I'm gonna ceramic coat the wheels, so I'm not gonna put these on yet. The part number for that is right here. PT 280 89 210 F2. Okay. This new design has the TRD in red, and it has this red ring. Previously it did not have this red ring. Let's take a close up on the back. Got that recycle symbol there. Transpire. Okay. Toyota logo. Part number right there on the bottom. Okay. It looks like this is a potentially 2-piece, because there's this right here too. You might pop that out. Okay. And then what goes good with this are black lugs. So I also ordered some black lug nuts. Here's the part number, PT076 60200 Set of 6. Made in USA and imported materials. Black lugs. So this is what I mean, like when you put them in, you can still see a little bit of the silver, so I'm probably gonna get that, just touch that. So again, these wheels come up on the 2021 and up TRD Pro 4Runners, 17x7. I mean, I wish they were wider, but hey, like, you know, I prefer going OEM. If I go aftermarket, I wouldn't get these. I would probably get some Works or Rays, maybe the TE37 XTs. A little bit more pricey, but this is a start. So these are the part numbers, and we'll see how these look on the car.